Today we are going to learn the poem A Teenager's Prayer. This poem is composed by J. Moss. Before going towards poem, let's understand the background of the poem. The title of the poem is very simple. A Teenager's Prayer. For teenager, it's a person who falls within the age group of 13 to 19 years old. This is the transition period from childhood to adulthood. In this poem, the poet has narrated the expectations of the teenager for leading a successful life. The teenager prays God to help him to keep himself mentally and physically fit for leading a successful life. Students, teenage is extremely important stage of life. The same teenage stage lays foundation for our successful future. In this poem, poet himself is a narrator. He speaks as if he is a teenager. Friends, आज आपण कवी जे मोस यांची अ टीनेजर्स प्रेयर ही कविता समजावून घेणार आहोत. टीनेज म्हणजे वयवर्ष 13 ते 19चा वयोगट. बाल्यावस्थेमधून प्रौढावस्थेकडे जाणारा हा संक्रमण काळ असतो. या कवितेमध्ये कवी यशस्वी जीवन व्यतीत करण्यासाठी किशोरवयीन मुलाच्या अपेक्षा व्यक्त करत आहे. किशोरवयीन मुलगा ईश्वराकडे प्रार्थना करतो आहे की शारीरिक आणि मानसिक दृष्ट्या सक्षम राहण्यासाठी मला मदत कर. किशोरावस्था हा आयुष्याचा अतिशय महत्त्वाचा टप्पा आहे. याच काळात यशस्वी भविष्याचा पाया रचला जात असतो. या कवितेमध्ये कवी स्वतःच निवेदक आहे. कवी स्वतःच टीनेजरच्या भूमिकेत आहे. Now let's listen the audio of the poem A Teenager's Prayer. Each day brings new beginnings. Decisions I must make. I am the only one to choose the road that I will take. I can choose to take the road of life that leads to great success or travel down the darkened road that leads to great distress. Please open up my eyes, dear Lord, I might clearly see. Help me stand for what is right and bring out the best in me. Help, Lord, to just say no when temptation comes my way, that I might keep my body clean and fit for life each day. When my teenage years are over, I know that I will see that life is lived its very best with you walking next to me. Students, we will see the stanza-wise explanation of this poem. Each day brings new beginnings. Decisions I must make. I am the only one to choose the road that I will take. In this stanza, the poet says that at the beginning of each day, I have to take my own decisions. There are many paths lying before me, and I am the only one who has to take my own decisions. Means, at the beginning of each day, every teenager has to choose his own path, as there are many paths laying before him, and he has to take his own decision. To take the path on which to travel is solely his own responsibility. म्हणजेच विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, कवी म्हणतो आहे की प्रत्येक दिवस हा माझ्यासाठी एक नवीन सुरुवात घेऊन येतो. समोर येणाऱ्या सर्व गोष्टींचे निर्णय मला घ्यावे लागतात. माझ्यासमोर असलेल्या अनेक पर्यायांपैकी कोणता पर्याय मी निवडायचा हे माझे मलाच ठरवावे लागते. I can choose to take the road of life that leads to great success or travel down the darkened road that leads to great distress. In this second stanza, the poet says that I can choose a right way of life that leads to a great success, or I can travel down the wrong way of life that leads to great distress and suffering. Means teenager is aware that the path which he is going to choose may be right or wrong, but at the same time he is confused. He is not sure about his decision, whether it is right or wrong. In this way, to choose the path on which to travel is solely his own responsibility based upon the decision he takes. Students, here darkened means evil, means white mark. Distress means great worry or pain. Suffering means दुःख, वेदना. स्टुडंट्स, या दुसऱ्या स्टांजामध्ये कवी म्हणतोय की मी निवडलेला हा जीवन मार्ग मला यशाकडे, समाधानाकडे घेऊन जाईल किंवा अपयशाच्या दुःखदायक वाटेकडेही घेऊन जाईल, परंतु त्या निर्णयाची जबाबदारी पूर्णपणे माझी असेल. प्लीज ओपन अप माय आईज, डिअर लॉर्ड, that I might clearly see. Help me stand for what is right. Bring out the best in me. In this stanza, the poet prays to God to open my eyes so that I can see clearly and help me to stand for what is right and help me to reveal my best qualities. Help me to bring out the best in me means teenager requests the God, teenager prays the God to make him see the things clearly without any prejudice. Teenager prays God to help him to stand for what is right and to bring out the excellence in him. या तिसऱ्या स्टांजामध्ये कवी देवाला प्रार्थना करतो आहे की हे देवा, योग्य आणि अयोग्य समजण्यासाठी मला मदत कर. चांगल्या गोष्टी अनुभवण्याची मला दृष्टी दे. जे योग्य आहे, जे चांगले आहे, त्यासाठी ठामपणे उभे राहता यावे आणि माझ्यातील सर्वोत्तम गुणांना योग्य दिशा देण्यासाठी मला मदत कर. हेल्प लॉर्ड टू जस्ट से नो when temptation comes my way, that I might keep my body clean and fit for life each day. In this fourth stanza, teenager prays God to make me strong, to say no when I desire to do something bad or wrong. Teenager prays God for God's blessings, to keep his body clean and fit, to face the challenges of life every day. The poet goes on to seek God's help to make him strong, to say no when he desires, wishes to do something bad or wrong things in life. That is, when temptation alluring him, give him the courage to say no. Students, what is temptation? Temptation means a strong desire to do something wrong. Bad means addiction of bad things. Students, या स्टांजामध्ये कवी ईश्वराला प्रार्थना करतो आहे की मला माझ्या मनावर नियंत्रण ठेवण्यासाठी मदत कर. एखाद्या मोहाच्या क्षणी माझ्याकडून चुकीचे वर्तन घडू नये म्हणून नकार देण्याची ताकद मला दे आणि आयुष्यात येणाऱ्या संकटांना तोंड देण्यासाठी मला शारीरिक आणि मानसिक दृष्ट्या परिपूर्ण बनण्यासाठी मदत कर. When my teenage years are over, I know that I will see that life is lived its very best with you walking next to me. In this stanza, the poet says that when I have grown up and look back, I will see that I have lived my life at its best with great deeds of success, with you guiding me, showing me the right path. Here, you means the God. Means poet says, by the time his teenage years were over, he will surely know the truth that the life he lived its very best only because of God. The poet wishes to see in himself positive effects at the end of his teenage. स्टुडंट्स, या स्टांझामध्ये कवी सांगतो आहे की मी जेव्हा किशोरावस्थेमधून प्रौढावस्थेमध्ये प्रवेश करेल तेव्हा मला असे वाटेल की माझे किशोरवयीन जीवन मी यशस्वीरित्या जगलो आहे आणि आयुष्याची वाटचालही उत्तम चालू आहे. ईश्वरा, ती केवळ तुझ्या आशीर्वादानेच. In this way, we learn that the teenager faces confusion about the decisions he is going to take. He wants to lead a successful life. He wants to have positive thoughts in his mind. He prays God to help him to say no when temptations alluring him. He wants to be strong physically and mentally. अशा प्रकारे किशोरवयीन बालकाला जे निर्णय घ्यायचे आहे त्याबाबत त्याच्या मनात गोंधळ आहे. त्याला यशस्वी जीवन व्यतीत करण्याची इच्छा आहे, सकारात्मक विचार करण्याची इच्छा आहे. तो देवाला विनंती करतो आहे की कोणत्याही प्रकारच्या प्रलोभनांना बळी न पडण्याची क्षमता मला दे. शारीरिक आणि मानसिक दृष्ट्या स्वस्थ सुदृढ राहण्याची ताकद मला दे. अशा प्रकारे आज आपण अ टीनेजर प्रेयर या कवितेमधील किशोर यशस्वी जीवन जगण्यासाठी ईश्वराकडे प्रार्थना करत आहे हे अभ्यासले. पुढील भागात आपण याच कवितेचे ॲप्रिसिएशन पाहणार आहोत. Students, in our next video, we will learn the appreciation of the same poem. Till then, goodbye.